Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add an overlay on CapCut PC. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, in order to add an overlay, you first need to go ahead and select a video you want to put overlay on. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag it to the timeline, just like so. Now, to add an overlay, it would be very easy. If you would just drag the video you want to be as an overlay here on the timeline, it wouldn't work. But all you need to do is select this video, drag it on top of the first video. And now, as you can see, this video is already on top of it, but you cannot see this one. So all you need to do is go ahead and, of course, scale it. So we can go ahead and minimize it. As you can see, now you can put it somewhere else. If you want to go ahead and put, for example, cut it out, basically, all you have to do is select video basic, then remove background, auto removal, and it will remove a person. If it's a person, then it will remove a background just like so, and you can put it somewhere, for example, here. And now you will have your video just like so. This is the overlay. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.